are now reflected in the website that is live, okay? And I would like to share the website with you. So 1 minute. Okay, anyway, while they're still trying to set it up, when we bidded for the ASCS 2025, it's there already. Okay, so this is our website for the people who would want to join us for next year. You only have to type in ASCS 2025 and this will come out. This is our venue. It will be at the World Trade Center and our dates would be from June 4 to June 5 of 2025. Okay, down. So the main page has everything on it. Our theme is empowering cosmetic science. So we have sub-themes. The first is beauty technology and digital application, beauty innovation in raw materials, packaging, and finished products, beauty tradition and evolution, beauty safety and efficacy testing, and lastly, natural resources for new ingredients. So, so far, the program at a glance, there you can see that there will be a welcome ceremony. By the way, our ASCS conference will be simultaneous with Informa Market's first exhibition in the Philippines entitled Cosmo Beauty. So our welcome ceremony will be in conjunction with the exhibition welcome ceremony. So we will have plenary sessions and poster presentations on the first day. And so far, in day 2, same plenary sessions and poster presentations, plus a gala night from 6 to 9. But from what I saw last night, we chemists, cosmetic chemists know how to enjoy ourselves, so maybe we might put something on the first day as well. Okay, so we enjoin you to be part of ASCS 2025, and we encourage you, our fellow societies, to support us in this worthwhile endeavor through first abstract paper or poster submissions, face-to-face attendance to the conference itself, sponsorship and exhibitions, because Cosmo Beauty is an exhibition company. We can connect your company to them. So if you would like to do the exhibit for, during that time, we can connect you. Okay, country pavilions. We really would like you to showcase your finished products, your raw materials, and consolidate it in a country pavilion. We will push this even if Informa is the one in control of the exhibit. So we will be contacting your embassies in the Philippines, but we will also be coursing it through the societies. So we hope that the societies can help us.